Hi guys, so today we are going to study about insertion sort. As you can see, I had write the basic ideas, how it work, but I will read it out for for the explanation, of course. Uh, what we do, we assume the first element is already sorted. Then we will start with the second element and compare it with the first element. Okay, the first element which we have thought it is sorted and it is in a right position like that. Then after comparing, which if it is if it doesn't satisfy the sorting condition, we will swap both the values like that, and we'll do this whole thing throughout the array. So let me write the code so you can understand it more properly. So we'll write a for loop. We'll start with the index 1. Then I have already written the basic cases, basic code like declare array and also its length. 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, it's correct. Then I'll declare a key. So what will the key will do, I'll explain you through the code. Just watch now. J is equal to I minus 1. Okay, then while loop, j is less than j is greater than equal to 0, and then operator j array dot I array dot j is greater than key. So what we are doing over here, like we have the array, as you can see, in the 0th index, we'll check if the array at index 0 is greater than array at index 1. So it satisfies the condition, and if j is greater than or equal to 0, j is 0 because 1 minus 1 is 0. So both conditions are satisfied. Then we'll use this loop. Inside this loop, what we will do, array dot j plus 1 array j. Okay, and j will be decremented, and this loop will end over here. What do we do? We swap the value. We assign the 0th index 64 value to index 1. Okay, how are we doing? In the array j plus 1, we assign the array value of index 0 64 like that, as you can see over here. Okay, and we decrement j, so j will become less than 0, like minus 1. Okay, so what we'll do over here right now, array dot j plus 1 to swap the we have already swapped the value, like in the index 1 we have assigned the value is 64, but in the index 0 we didn't assign the value. Okay, index 0 we didn't assign the value of 25. So for that, what we will do, our j is minus 1 plus 1, it will be 0. At index 0 we'll assign the value of key is 25, and that's it, guys. So let me run a for loop to see is it working properly. Array cout air. Okay, let's compile the code. So code successfully compiled. Let's execute it. Okay, we are doing something wrong. There should be var variable value. It compiles successfully and it prints successfully a sorted array, as you can see. So yeah guys, that's it. If you have any doubt, question, please write down in a comment section. I will be very interested to answer it back. Thank you for watching.